How y'all doing? This is Arkansas Outdoorsman. Today we're gonna restore my friend's thermos. So the first step is obviously taping it off, and I'm successfully doing it right now. You're gonna tape off all the metal surfaces, bottom and top. Make sure that they're all covered, so you don't have to go back and use some brass sewing and shine it. You want to make sure that the surface is sanded, as so. Tape off the bottom and the top, and it's just going to sit like that. We're going to first coat it with some Restore metallic here. Then we're going to go with the overcoat over there. So let's go get. Alright, so we're currently outside in the outdoors because outdoor channel. First you want to check the wind. The wind's coming this way, so you want to be like this, kind of parallel to it. Then you want a nice even coat on your first one. Okay, now you just want to let that dry. We'll bring it back for the second coat. This is Arkansas Outdoorsman. I'm here on my third coat. Second coat, he was in the shower. Your second and third coats want to be a little bit thicker than the first one, but not so thick that paint's just falling off of it. Watch your phone. Light coats. Remember to always be downwind and don't be what I'm doing, where it's just going to spray back in your face and you're going to have to go see the doctor. Make sure you get every square inch or the paint's going to come out uneven and you're not going to be happy with it. Too much. BS. And then we have decided that the rim of the cup needs to match the paint on it. So you just hit that with a little coat here.
We need more on this side.
Very nice. And then on your final coat, quote for quote, just kind of want to move around with it. Oh, wind is very difficult today. It is pouring, so we're gonna all be upwind of it. Just kind of
too much.
Get in, get out, you know. Final coat is going to be the enamel. That's coming here in a second. Oh, a little tip. Whenever you spray... Sorry, I just had lunch. When you want to store your cans, always spray it upside down until it runs clear. Right there. Good. And then it's ready for storage. We had a problem, okay? The enamel was not clear like we thought, so I've got to correct the mistake here. Tidy it up, you know.
Too much. It's dripping.
BS.
Too much.
Just, you know, kind of tidy it up. Don't be afraid to
too much.
Just go like this, you know, like you see in the auto body commercials. Shake really good.
Too much.
Make sure that it's nice and even.
Too much.
Oh, in the eye. Making sure that you don't have any more white speckles because you screwed crap up.
Too much.
Perfect. We'll just let that dry off and be good to go. A little tip, when you have stuff like this and it's covered in paint and you need to get it inside because the rain's picking up, cut a hole in the top with your knife, which I've done. Stick your finger in it, kind of pierce your finger to the outside, take it out just like this, and go inside with it. Bring it into a surface you don't mind getting ruined. Set her down, let her dry. So, once you get your thermos inside that you're restoring, you're going to want to take the tape off, period, even if it's not dry. So that way the tape does not get stuck on there and then you start peeling paint. Because that's not what we want to happen at all. peel off your tape, just like this. Very easy, so you don't ruin the metal. And then if you have troubles like this, don't be afraid to grab your handy dandy old timer knife and just kind of peel the edge up like that. Close the knife so you don't cut yourself and have to go see the doctor. That's not what we want to happen. Peel the tape. Peel in a downward motion like this, so that way it'll pull the edge off just cleanly. Tape is being stupid because it is duct tape and not blue painter's tape. There we go. Make sure your edge is clean looking. Very clean. Beautiful. Then on the bottom, going to be a little bit harder to do. Again, don't be afraid to reach for your old timer knife. Got this at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Going to do a review on it later. Peel your edge, close your knife. Very simple, very easy. I mean, not much more you can do, guys. Make sure your edge is clean. Clean up all your tape, put it right there. Flip this guy over. On the cup, peel it up very cleanly. BS. I was painting my duck boat yesterday, so my hands are already dirty, so I don't really care much. Peel your edge. I'll bring y'all back when we get all the tape off and we can assemble it. To shine your metal, use a little bit of Goo Gone and an old crappy rag that you don't mind if it gets ruined. Take it, rub it really nice. Get the crap off of it that you don't want on there. It's going to make the metal shine very well. A thin coat, do just fine. Get it all the way down. Any paint or overspray that was left, it's going to come off. You just want to shine it up really nice. And then on your bottom, do the same. Paint's a little bit wet because we had another incident. Do it on your lid. Clean up the overspray. Especially if you're doing this for somebody else and it's their thermos and you're just being a kind Samaritan. Just kind of clean up your edge. Rub a little bit of paint off, whoop-de-doo. This edge is a little bit more tedious. And then we're ready for a reassembly now. Take, screw on your cap. Secure it. Put your cap on your Goo Gone so you don't spill it everywhere. Take this guy, slide it over the top. A restored thermos, guys.